Hello, and thank you for joining me today. Today, we are going to be discussing a little bit about how you make requests via the new marketing services structure, as well as how you book time with your marketing team to discuss various topics about your business. First, we are going to log into my H&R office. This is going to be how we access the HN Marketing Hub, which will be your one-stop shop for all things marketing. Under the My Links section, if we look down towards the bottom, we have an HN Marketing Hub. Now, this is where the link currently lives. It will be moving to the hamburger menu shortly for a more prominent location. If we were to click on HN Marketing Hub, it's going to open us to a new window. This window is going to be similar to my H&R office in the fact that it is a single sign-on option. This is going to be where you place marketing requests, where you can access your CRM, your website, luxury affiliate resources, as well as additional items such as the Buzz, Toolkit CMA, and more. First, we are going to start with how you place a marketing request for a listing. HN Design Studio is going to be that location. So this first button is going to be for HN Design Studio. If we click on this button, it's going to direct us to our HN Design Studio. On the left-hand panel, if we scroll down, we can see a variety of tools as well as designs that we can use. If we wanted to place a property flyer, we will click on that category and scroll until we find the one that we think best represents our property. You'll notice a variety of headlines. All of these headlines can be changed and adjusted to meet your property's needs. I'm going to select this one right here, single-sided, single-agent design. It'll come up in a pop-up. You can see it a little bit better. And then if we click on the concierge request button, this is where the magic happens. So first, we'll see this description box. This is where you are going to place all of the information you normally would place in an email to your marketing team person into this box. So maybe if you have image specifications or headline specifications, or even if you want to change the description, all of that information should go in this box. Now, if your property is an active listing, it's already live in FMLS, the majority of this information is going to pull through our feed where we are directly connected with the FMLS. If your property is listed under the coming soon status with an FMLS, that information will also pull through and you will not need to provide it. However, if your property is only coming soon and has not been entered into the FMLS in any way, you will need to provide us with all of that information. The address, bedroom, bathroom, price, description, all of that information will need to be added to the description box. Now, if you enter some information, but you're still a little bit unsure and you would like to discuss your request with a marketing team member, just add that into the text at the very bottom of please give me a call and someone from the team will reach out to you to discuss. If we scroll a little bit further down this, we'll notice there's an upload file location. Now you can upload images here if you are very particular. However, that is not required. That information can also be pulled from your agent SharePoint folder, which everyone on your marketing team has access to. If we continue to scroll, we'll notice the property address or MLS number. Now, if we were to click on search by MLS and we start typing in that address, it's going to populate the ones that we have access to. You will select the one you're looking for, and it will automatically add in that FMLS number and provide your marketing team with all of that information. The final thing we need before we click submit is going to be the due date. Now, the due date is automatically going to populate with 48 hours out from the time of your request. However, it can be changed to sooner or later. We do recommend planning for a minimum of 24-hour turnaround time to allow your marketing team to fulfill that request and everything that you may need. Once you click the submit button, you will receive a confirmation email that your request has been received, and your team will also receive a notification that your request is there to begin working on. Now, if we go back to the Marketing Hub and we talk about personal marketing requests, we'll notice this second button here. It states personal marketing requests. Now, if we click on this button, it's going to redirect us to a web form. This web form is going to capture anything that is non-listing related, and it will only require a couple of items, your name and your email, so that we know how best to get in contact with you and where to send your proofs. It'll also require your office, as well as the proof date that you would like to have that returned. And then there will be a drop down with a variety of items. Now, if anything does not fit within one of these categories, we do have an others category, and you'll just need to provide us additional information within this text box here. This text box is going to also be where you place all of the information we need to be aware of in order to fulfill your request. So if this is a farming postcard, for example, you would want to provide us with all of the information that you would like on that postcard so that we can get that design started for you. You will also notice there is a uploads section here where you can drag and drop files. These files can include anything from inspiration to a mailing list or anything that we might need in order to fulfill your request. Once you click this submit button, because you've fulfilled everything on the form, you will again receive a confirmation email that your request was received and that someone from the marketing team will be working on your request shortly to keep a lookout for that proof email.